Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I would like to introduce you guys to the Giving Face box by Brown Cosmetics, crafted by the one and only Tasha Brown. Inside this luxury box you'll receive so many different useful luxury items. Just look at it. It's overflowing full of products. Totally worth it already. Let's take a look inside. You're going to get an eyeliner, a kohl eyeliner pencil, as well as a brow sculpting pencil. You're also going to receive a luxury liquid pencil, a glow setter setting spray to finish your looks off, a set of magnetic lashes, loose setting powder, the Moringa cleansing oil, magnetic lash adhesive, 24 karat gold collagen eye masks, a beauty cleansing sponge, 2 foundation sticks, a neutrals eyeshadow palette, a contour palette, a cosmetic pouch with 8 makeup brushes, and a beauty blender sponge. You'll also receive the highlighting palette, as well as additional items, which include the lip glasses, and did I mention that the loose setting powders come in 5 different shades? The brow definer comes in 5 different shades, and all of the mineral makeup is talc free. These products worked amazingly. It's the perfect box for the everyday woman who loves luxury in her life. Take a look at this look that I created and tell me what you think down in the comments. Talk soon.